When you stop us, then why you disturb us? You disturb us. You disturb us already. You say country.
Speak letter.
Ki Sipai BSF hakaput India Bangladesh kila syak kenther haki longkemi ke Shnong Muktapur hadin ba ke jingja syak patrong bat syak patom sopti kumjuk ke jing maham siat yap yau doktor ketenat veterinary hakak hatwe terik rempang ha Shnong Muktapur Jalia Khola. Kani ke jingja kala penki bitar ya ki nongshong Shnong ke Muktapur bat hadian bawan katu kat ni ki he Sipai BSF ki bertemu penjam ya ke jingja kilawan lumpat ba bat ki longkemi kila kruit da ke ketien pareng baki dai mano bakin lek tok met bat penwit ya ki nongshong Shnong bat lek ki kam sniu henrei uwe na ki Sipai BSF ulap hak keren da ke ketien Hindi. Kabalingok kalong bau BSF umlak setia berjubab ya ki jingkeli kalong kemi baki don keti ban keta ya kaburom ke ijot jongki nongshong Shnong. Kani ke jingja ha ka kharwe terik rempang kam desu ke jingja ka ba malumala ha ka baki Sipai kila parep ya doktor badai kemi ya ka dispensary ke tenat veterinary ha Muktapur ba ude unong Bangladesh ba ude uba prungtu. Kani ke jingja kalaja ha kapor khar arbuje mensingi ha kapor ba udang wan khwai na lakro halenti na Muktapur Jalia Khola kabahap hapo ka BOP Hawaii Tila West Giant Hills District. Laya tu baki Sipai BSF klem kino kidaw kila patrong ya u bat keno ba ude unong Bangladesh kat ba udang lek khwai na wa lakro. Une u doktor ru ulayannya bat udawa yaki ban kiam yaki masitu bat hakaju kapor uring dur da ka mobile. Kini ki BSF kila kini no ya ka mobile jong u bat maham bantan ya u sha 0 point ban siat yap ya u.
Then why you disturb us? You disturb us. You disturb us already. You say country.
Speak letter.
You want the country.
You bring first the
Otherwise,
country
you
and
are
speak
the
letter.
one who commit the crime. Who told him to do the things? The crime.
Go ahead, yeah.
We are not expecting you to demand you. Because that one is not in Bangladesh.
You want the one you call stop.
Where's the country?
Madam, देखिए बच्चे नहीं.
Where's the culprit? Where's the culprit? Call him? Huh? What? Who? Where's the culprit? You call him? Bring him the culprit. Otherwise, you are. When you stop us, then why you disturb us? You disturb us. You disturb us already. You say culprit.
Speak letter.